Passenger flow upon landing. Step 1. Passengers will be ushered to Gate G1 from arrival points. Passengers will be tagged with a red wristband. Step 2. Passenger undergoes thermal scanning. Step 3. Passengers without a local SIM card to purchase SIM card at designated stations, for Mysejahtera App. Step 4. Proceed to Digital Kiosks to perform self-registration, for online paid passengers. Sign consent form. Option available to purchase COVID-19 swab test manually at BP registration counters. Step 5. Proceed to the waiting lounge and wait for the swab test. For those without Mysejahtera app, to install here. Step 6. Proceed to BP swabbing station and scan Mysejahtera. Submit your consent form. Undergo COVID-19 screening test. Step 7. To verify passenger's country of origin to determine quarantine period. Payment for Gov service tax, payment for quarantine fees. Step 8. Proceed for immigration clearance. Step 9. Exit to holding bay before proceeding to your designated quarantine center accordingly. NADMA, National Disaster Management Agency, will be assisting and guiding passengers after immigration for baggage claim and customs clearance. Thank you. Visit our website for more information at airport.dr2u.my.